What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just want to give you a small update. So I'm out here checking out the strip mall, and there is a black barber school. There is a black dispensary. There is a black salon that do hair. It's pretty neat because this is like a little. Pretty much everybody in here black almost. You know what I mean? So it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I think this is between Midwest City and Dale City. So it's like Midwest City, Dale City area. So it's neat to see, to see my people on their grind doing their thing. It really is. It's really neat to see it, man. I enjoy seeing my people start businesses and getting their things together. Hey, man, it's a blessing, man. I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you because at first I was a little intimidated about, how things gonna play out, and then seeing this just kind of, give me a little more assurance that everything is gonna work out. Hold on.